Ito yung sweet potato ko, guys. Nilagay ko lang sa paso. Ayan o. Ayan o. Marami na siyang dahon. So, I will harvest my sweet potato leaves. Para ilagay ko siya, I will mix with the mango soap. So, ayan o. Meron pang isa. Pero padamihin ko pa yan. Dito lang i-harvest ko. Yan ang i-harvest ko. Meron pa akong isa dito. Diyan, meron pa akong ampalaya. Ewan ko lang guys kung umaano yan. Kasi nasa 14th floor, walang space. Sa paso lang ako, sapat lang. Only in a pot, I will do garden. Ayan na guys, nakalbo na yung aking sweet potato in a pot. Hinarvest ko yung mga leaves niya kasi kakainin ko. I will mix with the mango soap. Ayan. Pero yung iba hindi ko pa kinuhaan. Ito lang yung marami, yun ang kinuhaan ko. Ayan na siya guys. Huhugasan ko na para ihalo ko doon sa aking mango soap. I will mix with my mango soap and I don't need to put this salt because this is organic sweet potato in a pot. So, see you later guys. Magmumukbang ako ng mango soap with sweet potato. Ayan yung aking mango soap. Ihahalo ko dito yung sweet potato leaves. So, hugasan ko muna siya para ihalo ko dyan. So guys, ito na yung aking sweet potato. Hinugasan ko na. Ihahalo ko na dito. I'll mix this in the mango soap. So, I will mukbang with this. Natin magpulo siya guys. Ayan. Hintayin natin na enough na yung leaves na maluto. Hindi natin siya i-overcook. Just mix it. This is safe. This is organic sweet potato from my garden in a pot. Isang kulo lang. Isang kulaan ko lang. Medyo high heat ko. Okay guys, this is enough. I'll now turn it off. So, kakain na ako. Hello guys, I'm back. And now, here it is guys. My mukbang mango soap with sweet potato leaves that I just harvested from my plant in a pot. Yan guys. Ito yung aking lunch mukbang. Only this and banana. And I have just this, my alaga, my favorite plant. Yan. I just put it in here. So, just like a decoration. So guys, let's start eating this mungo soup with sweet potato. Shout out to all, shout out, and happy weekend. And sana ay nasa mabuting kalagayan kayong lahat. At sana ay matapos na po itong pandemic na ating dinanas. Sana matapos na po ang lahat. Kung iisipin kong mabuti ay nalulungkot ako bakit hindi pa siya tapos. Sana matapos na po itong pandemic na ito. Sana ma-solve na ang ating problema sa virus na ito. Sana matapos na po. So, let's start eating. Mungo, guys, is rich in protein. So, if you don't want to eat meat, you can replace it by eating mungo or mung beans or some beans. But my favorite one is mung beans or the green beans. Ang sarap. Ang buhay ay puno ng hamon, guys. Yes guys, ang buhay ay puno ng hamon. I really like mung beans, guys. I just have cooked the sweet potato leaves. I do not overcook it. This one is like taro. Ano guys, parang foggy. So, hindi siya masyadong maliwanag. So, mas okay yung, siguro parang medyo okay yung camera ko ngayon. Gawa ng, it's foggy outside. So, no sun. That's why like that guys. But if there is sun, sobrang liwanag dyan. Wala akong pantakip. Para akong ano, parang multo. Multo. Ghost. Shout out to all. And yes guys, I'm doing live streaming every night because that is my vacant time. And my signal, the signal of my data is good only at night. That's the reason why at night I'm doing live streaming. Sarap ng munggo guys. Tapos may sweet potato na fresh from the garden. It's not garden, a big one. It's in a pot. Sarap. Rapsa. Delicious. Maybe I'm now more than 10 minutes. sugar. Ubus ko. Ubus ko yung bawang ko. Tapos, kakain ako yung ibang cute ng saging, guys. Ito ay local banana of Taiwan. Pero very tasty. Cute niya. Very tasty siya, guys. Binili ko kahapon doon sa park. Andoon na naman si Lolo. Nagtitinda. This is my favorite banana here, guys. Very, very tasty. Okay, guys. Medyo mahaba-haba na yung aking video. Once again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red button for subscribe and ring the bell for notifications para updated kayo sa mga videos na upload ko. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye-bye. Okay.